girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Living like this, they supposed to have. Brand new whip, got no welcome back to my channel. And today I'm reviewing something a little bit different. I'm reviewing this ombre unit. It is a black and brown ombre unit, and it has more of the brown at the tips, and then majority of the hair is black, which I really do like about it. It has just the right amount of brown in the hair, and I really liked the wave pattern that was in the hair after I washed it. So that's kind of what made me want to crimp my hair today. And to crimp my hair, this crimping iron is by Bedhead and it's called Away We Go. I will go ahead and link this down below. If I forget, just remind me in the comment section and I'll definitely add this there. And one thing that I did that I wish I didn't do was like I run my fingers through the waves a little bit too much, so some of them have separated, but it's still, you know, uniform, and it does still have a nice sheen to it. And I did a curved side part, as you guys can see. The only thing about a unit like this is that it is one of those horseshoe type of lace front units. So majority of your parting space is going to be in the center, and then on the side, you know, it gets a little bit shorter. I did add a little bit of baby hair in the unit, just one little piece here, a swoop here, and then I pulled the hair behind my ear. Now I want to say that this unit is about a 20 to 22 inch unit. It's definitely on the shorter side for me. You guys know I typically go for like 24 inch or longer, but this one is definitely on the shorter side for me. And this is where it's hitting me in the front, so I don't think I have to stand up for that. And then I also turn around to the back so you guys can see where it hits. But before I do that, I believe that the density for this unit is probably about 180% density to 200% density. It's actually a very full unit, which I particularly like. I don't really like getting units that are on the more like thinner side, especially when you have straight hair. It's like I don't really want to go for the 150% density. I'm definitely like 180% density type of girl or more, and this unit is very full, so you definitely will get your money's worth with this unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn around so you guys can see where this hair is hitting on me in the back. And this is where it hits me in the back. Like I said, it's definitely on the shorter side, but I'm not mad at it at all. I still think it looks really cute. So the unit definitely fits a little bit loose on me, and I think it's just because honestly, you guys, I have a small head, so a lot of units tend to fit a little bit on the larger side. So if you have a very small head like myself, just know that this unit is going to be a little bit bulky on you, especially in the back. This unit does come with an elastic band, so if you want to do like a glueless install, you can definitely do a glueless install with this unit. You don't have to use any product if you don't want to, but because I have a smaller head, I definitely wasn't able to do that. But like I said, this is a very full unit, so if you're one of those girls that likes a really full install, you're definitely gonna like this one. And right now I don't have any like shedding or anything like that. Like I said, I'm not trying to run my fingers through my hair too much, but I don't have like any hair falling out all over the place. I really do like the color job that they did on this unit. Shout out to all of you guys for watching today's tutorial. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know by liking this video. Drop a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, and of course I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.